watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Fall is a wonderful time of year when the air gets cooler and our homes become even more welcoming and cozy. It's the perfect season to add some charm to your space, especially around your windows. Window decor not only brightens up your home from the inside, but also creates a warm, inviting look from the outside. Let's explore some beautiful fall window decor ideas that are easy to do and perfect for the season. Vertical garlands with dried seed pods and leaves. Create a beautiful display by hanging vertical garlands made from dried seed pods and leaves. Add some pine cones and candles on the windowsill for a cozy touch. Natural fall leaves garlands. Use preserved or natural fall leaves to make vertical garlands that hang directly on the window. This simple decoration will instantly bring a fall feel to your space. Dried citrus garland. For a unique and fragrant decor, make a garland using dried citrus slices. This will add a lovely scent to your home and give your window a boho look. Pine cone garlands. Pine cone garlands are versatile and can be used for both fall and winter. Hang them vertically on your windows for a rustic touch. Felt leaf garlands. Felt leaves are a durable option for fall decor. Make colorful garlands that you can easily hang and remove whenever you like. Plush rust star garland. For a charming and unique decoration, try a plush rust star garland. It's great for windows or any other space in your home. Mixed material garland. Combine pine cones, fruit hearts, acorns, and other decorations to create a mixed material garland that is perfect for fall or winter. Natural element garlands. Create garlands with natural elements like leaves, acorns, and beads. This simple DIY project is great for decorating your windows. Scented garland with dried apples and cinnamon. Make a scented garland using dried apples, evergreens, and cinnamon sticks. This will bring a cozy scent to your home and make your window decor stand out. Fake leaves and bold curtain garlands. For a bold look, decorate your window with bright fake leaves and a matching bold curtain. These garlands can serve as a unique alternative to traditional curtains. Colorful paper umbrella decorations. Hang colorful paper umbrellas from your window for a fun and cheerful fall decoration that you can easily make yourself. Fall leaf garlands in the bedroom. Lush fall leaf garlands can be used to cover your windows and even the headboard, adding a cozy fall vibe to your bedroom. Simple leaf and candle windowsill decor. For an easy decoration, attach some leaves to your window and place more leaves and candles on the windowsill. Maple leaves and pumpkins display. Attach maple leaves to your window and complement them with candles and pumpkins on the windowsill for a natural fall look. Green and bright fall leaves with tape. For a quick and playful decoration, attach bright green and fall leaves to your window with some tape. Leaf and acorn stickers. Use autumnal leaf and acorn stickers on your windows for an easy and cozy fall touch. DIY leaf decorations with polyethylene. Create DIY leaf decorations using real leaves and polyethylene for a bright and natural look on your windows. Boho painted leaves. Hang boho painted leaves as garlands or decorations, or attach them directly to your window for a unique fall style. Natural-looking fall leaves. Attach bright fall leaves to your window to give a natural and lively feel to your home. Hay and pumpkin windowsill display. Decorate your window with bright fall leaves and place hay with pumpkins on the windowsill for a charming autumnal scene. Decorating your windows for fall is a simple and effective way to bring the season's beauty into your home. These decorations not only enhance the look of your windows, but also create a warm and inviting atmosphere that can be enjoyed both inside and out. Try out some of these ideas and let your windows showcase the cozy spirit of fall. Happy decorating!